Hi guys, welcome to the new lecture. In this video, we will learn how to install Jenkins on your EC2 machine. So let's go ahead and click on launch instance. Type the name for your machine. In this case, we will type Jenkins. Select the operating system AL2 and we can proceed without the key pair. Allow HTTP and go to advanced. In user data, just copy paste this file. Launch. Okay, click on the instance ID, go to the security groups and enable port 8080. In the inbound rules, you have to enable port 8080 on which the Jenkins server is going to run. Okay, let's see if our instance is running fine. Copy the IP and go to here. You should see your Jenkins working now. Okay, it may take some time because since we have used the user data script, which means once the instance is launched, it will perform all these steps, like it will update your repository and update your Jenkins repository, also install Jenkins, and if you see, it is also installing Java. It's enabling, which means whenever you turn off your system and turn it on again, you don't need to log into the system and start Jenkins again. So this is the best practice to use enable. And this is starting the instance and status. So it should be up and running in a moment. May take some time. Alright, let's connect to the instance and see what's the problem. But should work without connecting to the instance as well, since we have used the user data. Right, let's wait for a few more minutes. Okay, there you go. Now Jenkins server running fine. It will ask you for the username. I'm sorry, it will ask you for the password now. The password and the path for the password, it will display on the screen. You can just copy this path and log into your EC2 on which Jenkins is running, and from there you can get the password. Okay, so this is the location where you can get the password. So you can just cat. Okay, you have to use sudo. Okay, this is the password for my server. No. Okay, you can use the suggested plugins, or else you can use your customized plugins. It will take a few minutes to install the plugins. So if you see, it's installing the Git plugins, and you can see a lot of options here. Here you have to create the admin username and password. It will automatically take your Jenkins URL. That's it. We have successfully installed Jenkins on your EC2 and you are able to connect. From here you can able to create your jobs. I will show you what is freestyle, what is pipeline, and what is Groovy script in the next coming lectures. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.